don't know how to get out of here. I'm stuck. Someone lost their wood.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
Oh, what's up, everybody? Oh, you got a Jeep and a Bronco. Weird choices, man. I hope you all... That was kind of loud. I hope you all had a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year. Because it's been like 37 holidays since I last talked to you guys. That's what it feels like anyway. Ow. That was a big bump. Ugh. Oh, I feel violated. Oh. That sounded bad. Oh man, it really has been a while, and it's kind of cold right now. And I'm just in jeans and tennis shoes. I am in a nice little jacket though. But still quite cold, quite chilly. But I mean, it's still winter time, so that's to be expected. But man, what did you guys get for Christmas? What'd you get? Did you get some new socks and underwear? I know you did, don't lie to me. That cop got some coal. If he turns around, I'm gonna be very upset if he comes after me. Now it looks like he's parking over there? I don't know what he's doing. Bro, you can go. Don't you do it. I'll eat your children. I swear. Man, it was my son's first Christmas, which was awesome. We got to watch him open his first Christmas present. I took pictures and I filmed it. It was cute. We got him this little push car. I can't describe it. I'm just going to put an image of it on the screen. But yeah, we got to watch him open it and enjoy his first Christmas. And he got lots of other gifts. Other family members gave him stuff. It was cool. It was a really chill Christmas, but it was a very important one because it was my son's first Christmas. Kind of ran off the road there a little bit, guy. It's okay. You tried. I actually tried to film a video on my way to back to work from getting lunch. That hardly makes any sense. But I tried, and for some reason my GoPro filmed only 1 minute of it, like the first minute, and then it just stopped, and I have no idea why. Like, I checked all the settings. It's not supposed to do that. Like, it just got to 1 minute and stopped. I'm gonna let this guy go because I'm a nice dude. Yeah. You're welcome, sir. That'll be $29.99. Venmo me. Ooh, like a matte black Cadillac. That rolls off the tongue nicely. But yeah, I wanted to hop on the bike and make a video. This is gonna be like my Just Another Motovlog episode 2, kind of. Realistically, I've made a bunch of these random, pointless motovlogs, just talking about whatever. But I think I'm gonna make this like a series when I hop on the bike and don't have a specific goal in mind, but just want to make a video for funsies. And because, you know, some of you guys like it, some of you hit the like button, some of you are subscribers. That's cool. It doesn't have to be all of you. I'll just cry alone. It's whatever.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But no, I do it for fun. And I think I'm going to make that series Just Another Motovlog series. J.A.M. J.A.M, if you will. Are you leaf blowing, boy? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this person in the passenger seat is like bouncing all around. They're going crazy, man. They're crazy. Oh, it's the back. I think it's the person in the back seat. It must be a child. Nice wood. Oh, there's more wood in the middle of the road. That's not, oh, it's right there. I almost ran over that wood. Ah, there's more. What is going on? Someone lost their wood. Just hardwood everywhere for the whole public to see. Let's go already. Let's go already. I like your bumper. I want to touch it. Oh, it's windy. It's so windy. Whoa, bro. Stay in our lane, fam. I know that child in the backseat is distracting you, but don't kill yourself. Whoa, buddy. What are you doing? Doggies! Oh, great heavens. Oh, that bump is violent on my butt. Oh, that one is too. Oh man, why are there so many bumps in the road? Anyway, what'd you guys get for Christmas? What'd you do for New Year's? I had a really chill New Year's. Yeah, I just stayed at home. Some of my neighbors watched fireworks, which is cool. I live in an area and neighborhood where a lot of people just launch fireworks for everything, which a lot of people would complain about, but I, for one, enjoy it. Because I just have to step outside and I get a free fireworks show. And my kid, who is almost 1 now, which blows my mind, actually doesn't mind fireworks. Like, the first few times they explode, like, he gets a little startled. But, like, he's totally chill with them. Like, he'll sit there and watch them. They can explode at, like, our neighbor's house right across the street. And he's just cool with it. He's like, yeah, whatever, fireworks. So, that's awesome. He's such a chill baby. I love him. He's awesome. So, yeah, we had a really laid-back New Year's. Just kind of watched the ball drop. Didn't really do anything. I feel like that just kind of happens when you get older. Things are a little more relaxed and not as much happens. If you pull out in front of me, I'll eat your children. Yeah, don't forget it. There was a Chevelle there that is no longer there. It appears to have been sold. Oh yeah, these are still a little flooded. So anyway, a lot of this area is still flooded. It stormed really bad a couple days ago, and I mean, there were like grass fields around here that look like lakes, like they were just supposed to be lakes, and they are not. We had a really bad flooding problem. There was a lot of car accidents, a lot of roads that were closed and had high water signs on them. Yeah, this place doesn't do well with heavy rain for some reason.
Look at that sunset right in my eyeballs.
Nothing to see here, folks. Alright, that's all I had. So, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Always remember, it's cool to not go out and party if you don't want to. Just stay in, enjoy the night, park on the grass. I mean, do whatever you want, man. It's your life. The world is your oyster. If you want to go and party, do that too. I don't care. I don't know you. Anyway, bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. If it fits, it ships. I don't know how to get out of here. I'm stuck. I'll figure it out. Oh, I did it. Look at me.